What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Swedish meatballs. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need ground pork, ground beef, yellow onion, an egg, butter, heavy whipping cream, minced garlic, parsley, flour, plain breadcrumbs, beef broth, Dijon Mustard, Worcestershire Sauce, ground allspice, salt, and black pepper. We're going to begin by grating a half a yellow onion. Chop up some parsley. In a bowl, add a half pound of ground pork and a half pound of ground beef, then mix until combined. Add 1 egg, add grated onions, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, add 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, add a handful of fresh parsley, season the taste with salt, black pepper, and allspice. Mix until ingredients is well combined. After combining the ingredients, it should be firm. If not, add another 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Now we're going to form the meatballs. In a skillet, preferably a cast iron skillet, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Add meatballs and fry until browned on each side. Once browned, remove the meatballs from the skillet. Now we're going to make the gravy. In the same skillet, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 1/3 cup of flour and mix for 1 minute. Add 1 cup of beef broth. Add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. If the gravy is too thick, add an additional 1/2 cup of beef broth. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon Mustard. Season to taste with salt and black pepper. Add fresh parsley. Add meatballs and simmer for 5 minutes. Garnish with parsley. And there you have it, Swedish meatballs. We hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.